My favorite student, welcome into today's video. Maniza mu video ya feyaliro. Leero tugenda kulaba some phrases to know. Phrases to know. Oba emboozi z'okumanya. Emboozi z'okumanya. Remember here we learn English and Luganda with ease. Want to go olulimi oluzungu n'Oluganda mu bwangwa. If you find this video amusing and helpful to you, please just subscribe, like and share. Okay, let's start. Number 1 we have I will come next week. I will come next week. Once again, I will come next week. For example, you are with a friend and you tell him or her, I will come next week. In Luganda, you are going to say, Inja kujja, I will come. Inja kujja, wiki ejja. Inja kujja, wiki ejja. Good. Next month is my birthday. Next month is my birthday. Omwezi ogujja, next month. Omwezi ogujja mazaalibwa gange. Once again, omwezi ogujja mazaalibwa gange. So birthday is mazaalibwa gange because of my birthday. Mazaalibwa gange. Good. What's your suggestion? What's your suggestion? This comes from what is. So it's contracted to what's. Kino kiva mu what ne is, is. So tukifunza ntufuna what's. What's. It's what is or what's your suggestion. Suggestion is ekiteeso oba endowooza yo. So what's your suggestion? Mu Luganda tugamba ekiteeso kyo ki. Ekiteeso kyo ki. So what is your suggestion is ekiteeso kyo ki. Good. Number 4 we have a good day. You wish your friend a good or fantabulous day. You're going to say have a good day. Have a good day, Peter. Have a good day, Ben. So have a good day in Luganda tugamba beera n'olunaku olulungi. Once again, beera n'olunaku olulungi. So have a good day is beera n'olunaku olulungi. Good. Who is the leader? Once again, who is the leader? Leader is omukulembeze. So who is the leader? It is a question. So you're asking a question and you add a question mark. Who is the leader? In Luganda tugamba ani omukulembeze. Can you repeat that? Omukulembeze. Good. So ani omukulembeze. Since you're asking a question, you're going to include what we call a question mark. And you say ani omukulembeze. Who is the leader? Good. So what do you want? What do you want? So there is a difference between want and what. This is chi. What do you want? Get the tonation very well. It is what do you want? This one is ant, as if you are saying ant. What do you want? So what do you want is oyagala chi. Oyagala chi gwe. An example. What do you want, Peter? Oyagala chi, Peter. What do you want to eat? Oyagala chi ekyokulya oba oyagala kulya ki. Are we together? So what do you want is oyagala chi. Good. Has she come? A question. Has she come? You're referring to a lady or a female gender. If you were meaning a male, you would say, has he come? Has she or has Goretti or has the woman come? Has she come? You say, ye aze. So she is ye. And he as well is ye. So has she come? You're going to say, ye aze. And a question mark. Kubanga oba obuuza kibuuzo. Has she come? Ye aze. Thank you, God. I thank you, God. Once again, I thank you, God. Nkwebaza Katonda. Nkwebaza Katonda. So I thank you God is inkwebaza Katonda. Good. I am going for a party. I am going for a party. Can you repeat that phrase? I am going for a party. Party is kabaga mu Luganda. So I am going for a party. You say inze ngenda ku kabaga. Inze ngenda ku kabaga. Once again, I am going for a party is inze ngenda ku kabaga. Do you have some money? Do you have some money? Once again, do you have some money? Money is sente mu Luganda. So, gwe olina ku sente. Some money. Gwe olina ku sente. Are we together? Gwe olina ku sente. Do you have some money? That is my car. Once again, that is my car. That is my car. Eyo emmotoka yange, because it is yours. So, eyo emmotoka yange. That is my car. Good. I'm on my way coming. I'm on my way coming. Once again, I'm on my way coming. Ndi mukubo nzija. Ndi mukubo nzija. I'm on my way coming. Don't worry, Peter. Ndi mukubo nzija. Tofayo, Peter. So, I'm on my way coming. We say, ndi mukubo nzija mu Luganda. Good. The table is old. Once again, the table is old. If it's not table, you can say the chair is old. The chair is old. Or anything can become old. So the table is old. The table is old. We say emeza inkadde. Emeza inkadde. Are we together? The table is old. Emeza inkadde. Okay, let's meet up in the next video. Bye bye. Whenever.